Hello everybody, it's March 11th, 2020. With an update on my new collector. Got the box all done, ready to go, painted the bottom. Got the slots cut for the input and output. And I also have the collector itself all put together. The manifolds are glued onto the cans now, and I've got wires for my snap switch in here, and I got a thermocouple up here ready to go. It's all the collector part of it is all independent from the box. The only place the box is going to be touching is when I glue the input and output to the box, and that's it. Everything's really sturdy. Really, the collector part of it is all nice and sturdy, and it seems to be in good shape. I give you, slide it into the box and get it ready to be silicone around the seals around the outside here. There. Anyways, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all in the box. Okay, the collector's inside the box now. This is I got a little bit of an air gap from between the manifold and the box itself, and then the sides too. There, thing fits in there just beautiful. I'm gonna have I got a gap above the insulation on the back side. There's about 1/8 of an inch. It's hanging off. It's just sitting on these manifolds here. I'm going to flip it over now and glue my the input and output to the box, and then that'll be permanent. Alright, I flip the collector over and glue in the input and the output. That's the only place that it's contacting the box is right where it's glued on between the box and the input and output. But it looks like it's going to go together well. I got to figure out where the thing for the fan yet, and I got a glued glass on yet, and then I'll be done. It's out there. For right now, I got the fan, just a small fan mounted on here, and it goes, this side over here. It slides down over this, kind of like that. And that's what I got for right now. I'm gonna get something a little better than that for the fan input. That's it for right now. Okay, this is what it looks with the fan on. It's get back here a little bit. You can see it better. Goes on like that. It's a 12-volt bilge fan. It does pretty good for testing. But I'm going to make a different mount for that, so the fans don't blow directly into the input. And there. That's it.